So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you have not done that yet, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, guys, once again, click on that subscribe button, like, share your comment. So, when you see this movement on our Swiss franc JPY, you can clearly see that Swiss franc JPY says that we are in an uptrend move, right? This is a clear movement that Swiss franc JPY is in an uptrend move. Now, take a look at this movement for Swiss franc JPY. If this is the high, here comes the higher low. This is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low right here, right? Then here, this is our higher high, and here comes the higher low. So Swiss franc JPY eventually push up again. It's for to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market eventually push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. So Swiss franc JPY push up again to form a new higher high. So we should be expecting higher low next, which is a pullback. That is exactly what we should be expecting next on our Swiss franc JPY. So an higher low is what we should be expecting next on our Swiss franc JPY. So once this higher low finish playing out, which it is about to play out finish, right? Once it finish playing out, right? In London section, once the market opens, look for your buy setup and let markets push up to form a new high. So an higher low is still playing out. Once it plays out finish, probably around London section, then we can now look for a buy setup that will make Swiss franc JPY to give us a new bullish move, which will eventually form a new higher high. If there will be any changes to this movement that we predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next update.